Hello, I'm Paula Pascual and I'm super excited because you know what? The Papercraft Society, that amazing subscription-based crafty company brand has now, well, the box number 56 is gonna be Miss P Loves, which means I have designed all the contents. So let me do an unboxing. Look at that. Well, we have worked very close together with the Papercraft Society team to create these beautiful boxes. And of course, the insides are all my designs. Miss P Loves. Here we have, now we have got quotes in here, of course, by me. I just think it's very important to create. And then we have, and now we'll show you what is in here because this is magic. But I want to show you that when we open this up, we have got lots of goodies. Now, I'm gonna start in with ephemera. Ephemera, foiled, cut to perfection with sentiments as well as butterflies and panels. You can see in here, lots of them. Then, so excited because it's the first time that I have done ephemera as well as washi sheets. Now, those two are strips and then there is a larger one in here, but they work as a one if you wanted to. I needed one of these brushes. I think they are brilliant for details and you will know why you need that one in the kit. Then what else you're getting? Of course, the colorways of there are included in the coordinating cardstock. I've chosen those colors because they are bright, they are cheerful, and on top of that, of course, you will have some really brilliant little tiny clips as well. And you're thinking, okay, so those contents, they're great, Paula, but where are the dies? Because of course Miss P Loves is all about the dies. Well, we have got this wallet and this is what I'm so excited about because when I was with Practical, of course, we worked very closely to create this wallet that icons like that. And you have got dies, you have got stencil, you have got vellum. You all know how much I love vellum. And then we have got the stamps as well. Now, for instance, the stencil and the stamp will coordinate as well. So they are kind of a two-stepper. Those sentiments here, well, let me show you the dies. The dies will match perfectly. That label will fit in perfectly those sentiments in here. But there is a lot more. Now the die, well, this is the main piece of the die because this is the Miss P Boundless Journal in a different size, never done before. This one is more of a small, like basically I think it's about 5 by 3, more or less that sort of size. You have got the hinge page here, the cover, as well as the pages. There is the locking key. You have got the beautiful butterfly. You have got elements to create as well, that butterfly, to not have to use glue. And if you are thinking, oh, I'm not sure what you mean, but let me show you this little journal I created here. Now, there will be videos on how to make it and instructions on the magazine as well. So you can create all these boundless journal, a size never done before on my regular line, and you can create it using exclusively the dies, the papers, and of course a little bit of white card that is not included in the kit, but this is essential, and the stamps and the stencils. Of course you can use this. Imagine that, how it coordinates. No glue, nothing else but the paper and the dies. And the design team has done an incredible work with them. There will be, of course, instructions again in the magazine included. And then you can make cards as well. And then you can go in and create different types of binding. Again, another instructions for this will be in the magazine. Completely different look using the stencils as well as the dies and the stamps. Then, of course, look at that. Masculine makes more different journals, different journal ideas, and how you can create that. Look at that, how simple it's done, but how beautifully stamped and layered with the stencils, how it works. And on top of that, of course, you are getting that ability with the beautiful ephemera to create pop-up cards with a gorgeous silver element. Of course, if you want this you know what to do. Go to Papercraft Society. It will be available, I believe, until towards the end of May, but make sure that you grab yours right now. Of course, that is the Papercraft Society, and that is the Miss P Loves edition.